If you have experienced that specific, persistent cloudiness in the mid-afternoon, that state where you are technically functioning, technically producing, technically making decisions, but none of it feels sharp, none of it feels clear, and the gap between the cognitive performance you know you are capable of and the cognitive performance you are actually delivering is wide enough to be genuinely frustrating, you are not tired. You are not getting old. You are running on low neural voltage in the specific brain region that controls the mental sharpness you are missing. This is not a metaphor borrowed from technology to make a spiritual concept sound more credible. Neural voltage is a literal, measurable, biologically real phenomenon. The electrical activity in your brain is produced by ion gradients across neuron membranes. The amplitude and frequency of that electrical activity determines your cognitive state as precisely as the voltage and frequency of an electrical current determines the performance of the equipment it powers. And just as a device running on inadequate power produces sluggish, unreliable performance regardless of the quality of the device itself, a brain running on a degraded neural frequency produces cognitive fog regardless of the intelligence, experience, and knowledge stored inside it. Before I explain the specific neural region involved and the mechanism that restores proper voltage to it, I want you to tap the link in my YouTube description right now. There is a full audio presentation that covers the complete neuroscience behind what we are talking about and delivers the exact 7-minute frequency protocol that targets this specific neural restoration. The presentation has been subject to restriction pressure and the page may not be available later. Get the link in your hands now and bookmark it before you continue watching. The neural region at the center of the brain fog problem is the hippocampus, the seahorse-shaped structure in the medial temporal lobe that is responsible for memory consolidation, spatial and pattern navigation, and the integration of current sensory and cognitive input with stored knowledge. The hippocampus is the brain structure through which your decades of financial experience, professional knowledge, and accumulated pattern recognition are accessed and applied to present-moment decision-making. When the hippocampus is operating in its optimal electrical frequency, the theta band between 4 and 8 Hz, this integration is seamless, rapid, and highly accurate. You see a situation, your hippocampus cross-references it with your stored knowledge, and your prefrontal cortex produces a clear, confident assessment. This is what thinking clearly feels like. This is the cognitive state you remember having 10 or 15 years ago before the weight of accumulated financial pressure began systematically degrading the electrical environment your hippocampus operates in. When the hippocampus is operating in the high beta frequency produced by chronic stress, this integration breaks down. The cross-referencing becomes incomplete. The pattern matching becomes imprecise. The prefrontal cortex receives degraded input and produces uncertain, hedged output. You have access to all the same knowledge, all the same experience, all the same stored expertise, but the neural pathway between that stored knowledge and your active decision-making is running at reduced voltage. The fog is not the absence of knowledge. It is the electrical interference blocking your access to the knowledge you have. The solution documented by modern neuroscience and historically practiced by elite private institutions long before the research vocabulary existed to describe it is neuro-acoustic entrainment, the use of a precisely calibrated binaural audio frequency to trigger the brain's reflexive frequency following response. When your auditory cortex processes the specific dual-tone frequency engineered to target theta entrainment in the hippocampus, your brain's electrical output synchronizes to that frequency involuntarily. The high beta interference dissolves. The hippocampal voltage normalizes. The fog lifts, not gradually over days of meditation practice, but within the 7-minute window of the protocol itself. This is why the ancient Babylonian administrators who managed vast economic systems studied acoustics alongside mathematics. This is why the 1930s wealth text that documented the relationship between sound frequency and financial cognitive performance was suppressed rather than published. A population that understood how to restore its own neural voltage on demand could not be economically destabilized by manufactured panic. It was not in the interest of the institutions that benefited from that panic to make the tool widely available. Modern neuroscience has made the tool available whether those institutions prefer it or not. The 7-minute audio protocol available through the link in my YouTube description is the delivery mechanism for the precise frequency that targets the hippocampus specifically. You do not need to understand the mechanism for it to work. You need headphones and 7 minutes. The acoustic mathematics do the neural voltage restoration whether you believe in them or not, because the frequency following response is a biological reflex, not a matter of belief. Download the precise sound frequency from the link in my YouTube description now. Fix the electrical problem that no amount of coffee, productivity software, or motivational content has been able to touch.